This tutorial is going to show you how to open a business account with FINCI. To open a business account, you have to register a personal account first. Select your preferred subscription plan, confirm your identity, fill out the questionnaire, and you're ready to use your personal account. Once your personal account has been activated, you will receive a Welcome to FINCI email. Now, to continue, go to the FINCI website and log into your newly created personal account. Enter your phone number and the same password you use when opening your account. You will receive an authorization SMS code. Once received, enter it and press Login. Welcome to your internet bank. To open a business account, you first have to add sufficient funds to your personal account to cover the cost of the initial document verification process. This fee varies depending on what business plan you require. If you're not sure which business plan you need, please click the fees section here. Based on your company's turnover, you can determine which subscription plan suits your needs, whether it's small, medium, enterprise, or enterprise plus. The document verification fee depends on the size of your company. Go back to your personal account homepage. To find out your personal IBAN account details, click here. This is your IBAN account number. Now, make a bank transfer to your new account with sufficient funds to cover the document verification fee. Once you've succeeded with topping up your FINCI personal account, you can continue opening a business account by clicking here. Fill in the basic business details, including its legal name, registration number, and country. Once finished, press forward. Then complete the next questions relating to your business. Make sure to upload a supporting document confirming that you have the right to represent your company. After completing the form, press Send to continue. An authorization code will be sent to your mobile via SMS. Please enter it here and then press Send. Now we require a little bit of your patience. It takes around 5 minutes for us to verify the first batch of information about your company. Here you can switch between your personal and business accounts. Click here to see if your company name has appeared. Keep checking until it appears. Once you can see it, click on your company name, go to Applications, press New Application, and then press Legal Entity Profile. Please then complete the full company questionnaire. It should only take a few minutes if you have the required documents to hand. If you can't finish it because something came up, you can save it as a draft and finish it later. If everything is completed, press Send to continue. An authorization code will be sent to your mobile via SMS, and then press Send to continue. And that's it. Our team has received all the information from your side. You can see in the application section whether the application was sent. Please note, the process of opening an account varies depending on how complex the business is. Please keep checking your messaging center for further information from our team. While you're waiting for your business account to be reviewed by us, you can enjoy using your personal account from our mobile app.